Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth, or Tony as I'm called. Today I've been using Mr. Muscle to clean out this oven. Now it's great stuff to use for every day, and one can last ages. It's for lightly greased ovens. Anything heavy you'll need something like Oven Pride. Anyway, so somebody told me about cleaning out the oven afterwards with some white vinegar because there's a lot of it smells of oven cleaner. Sometimes Mr. Muscle doesn't get every little bit out like that, so you may need to go over it again. But already I can smell a difference. I mean, you can see that that's still bringing out crap, but the vinegar will actually help get rid of the little bits. Yeah, see up here, still a lot of grease. You've got to be careful when you clean an oven because don't spray into the fan. It tells you on the can, but surprising how many people will just literally launch this stuff everywhere. So it already smells nice and clean. You can see how much crap's come off that. So I'm going to continue on, but it's actually really killed the smell, and I used it on the grill as well, and that's come off very good. So just a little hint, guys and girls. Just use any white vinegar after you've cleaned your oven, and you'll find that it kills that oven cleaner smell. Also, leave the oven running for another like 5 minutes. Don't put anything on, and that'll actually burn off the last of the chemicals before adding food. Thanks again for watching. Just a few hints and tips. Thank you, whoever recommended me to use this. Great piece of advice. Right guys, I'll leave you alone. Thanks, subscribe, and leave that thumbs up if you like this video. Bye for now.